Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix H1 tag on Wix. So you can fix your H1 tag on Wix to ensure proper SEO and design structure. Learn how to easily customize your H1 tag for better readability and ranking. So first log into your Wix account and open your site in the Wix editor. Navigate to the page where the H1 tag needs fixing. For example, I will choose this page. Now, click on the text element that you want to modify, which will likely be the main heading of the page. Now, if this is the first heading, it should ideally be tagged as H1 for SEO purposes. Now, in the text settings or toolbar, find the text type drop-down. Select heading 1, that is H1 from the list of options, and this tells search engines that this is the most important heading on the page. Now, to style your H1 tag, use the text settings to change font size, color or alignment and keep it readable and ensure that it stands out without being too large or distracting. It's important that there is only one H1 tag per page to avoid SEO issues. If you have more than one H1 tag, choose which one should be the main heading and convert the others to H2 or H3. Once you've made the necessary changes, preview your site to ensure that H1 tag looks good on both desktop and mobile versions. After confirming, click publish to apply the changes, and that's it. Now your H1 tag is fixed and optimized for both design and SEO. Ensure that it's prominent and easy to read and help search engines understand your page's content. And I will see you in the next one.